Duane here with How to Build Credit TV, and in this video, I'm going to talk to you about how a derogatory mark really hurts your credit score and your ability to get credit. But before we get started, I have a quick Once again, my name is Duane with How to Build Credit TV. This channel offers 100% free information about how to build credit, how to get cash back, actual cash money from using credit cards, as well as credit card reviews. If this sounds like something in which you're interested, be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. So it turns out that derogatory marks hurt your credit score more than you might think. I decided to do this video because I wanted to show you guys that when you have something that's derogatory on your account, like for me, for example, I had two derogatory marks on my account, and that just simply means that I had two accounts that went bad and I wasn't able to pay it. So it stayed on my credit report for up to 7 years, okay? One of them fell off of my account, and I wanted to take the time to show you just how much this affected my credit and how much it hurt my credit score. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys a recording from my screen. I'm gonna log into one of the apps that I use to check my credit report, and I'm gonna show you what the current credit score is, and then I'm gonna show you when they update the credit report what the current score will be after that mark has fallen off of my account. The reason why I know is because with my other account, I have a Credit Karma account, I have a NerdWallet account, and I have the CreditWise account with Capital One, and I use those three accounts to check my credit score. So what happens is those accounts, they update like every 7 days. And so one might be updated this Friday, and then the next one's gonna be updated on Sunday, and then the next one's gonna be updated on Tuesday. So it turns out that on one of my account, I think it's my Capital One account, that's how I know that excuse me, that derogatory mark really affected my score, and I wanted to just notate that and show you guys. All right, so for this part of the video, I'm gonna go ahead and log into my Credit Karma app. If you look at the phone screen, I'll have it on the screen. Today is Sunday, April the 8th. I think the app is going to update on Monday or Tuesday. So whenever it does, I'll actually make a video showing you guys just exactly how much a derogatory mark affects your credit score. So I'll go ahead and log into my Credit Karma app here. I'll show you guys, and you'll have my phone screen on the screen. I'll put my fingerprint in there. All right, so here we go. All right, so I'm gonna click on my TransUnion report because that's the report that I noticed that it falls off of. And so I'll click on that to show you guys that I do have a derogatory mark on the TransUnion report. All right, so as you can see right there on the left, it says derogatory mark 1. And I'll touch it. Okay, so it says we notice a negative mark on your report, and it talks about the fact that it takes 7 to 10 years to come off of your credit report. And as you can see here, they have a little, this is what I like about Credit Karma, they actually have a little chart, right, that kind of shows you if you have 4 or more derogatory mark, you'd be in the red. And then, you know, the closer you move to 0, the closer it moves to being green. Derogatory marks really affect your credit score a whole lot. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and end the video for today, and I'll see you guys in a second, which will be Monday or Tuesday, and I'll show you the updated credit score for TransUnion. All right, see you guys soon. All right, so today, as you can see on the phone, is April the 9th. Today's Monday. I'm gonna go ahead and log into my Credit Karma app. I'll show you guys here. Hopefully you can see that. Well, it doesn't matter, I'll have my phone screen on the screen. So I'll go ahead and log in and show you guys that the derogatory mark, how much it affects my credit. So as you can see, my score yesterday I think was 707, and it went up 47 points. Let me touch the TransUnion score here. Yeah, it was 707. So like I said, it updated. Derogatory marks really affect your credit score, like a whole lot. If possible, try to avoid getting your account in a situation where it would go bad and go to collections and be on your credit report for up to 7 years. A lot of people talk about how the effects of a derogatory account fades over time, but this one just fell off of my credit report and my credit score went up by 47 points. That's a lot of points. and I still have another one that's gonna fall off, I think, in October, so my credit score should go up some more. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you again for watching. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.